Mixed up the paint. I got thinner and Rust-Oleum's in there. Okay, those are my mixing sticks. Got a little. Okay, we're gonna start with some red. Let me show you slapstick, because there ain't no cream puff. Got my airbrush set up right there. The Posh VL. Okay. This is like what you would do. This is a starving artist. This is how you do it. Okay. I just cleaned the airbrush. I haven't even tested it. It's the first time going. Okay. Yeah, so on the Posh VL, you can do a lot. I was going to start with black first. I'm not looking for, I'm looking for a grain, a certain amount of grain, because of the type of art that it is. Okay, now I'm going to flood it by adjusting the needle. So you can do that. Then you go through the paint quick, but you can lay a lot of color quick. That's what's great about the Posh and these types, because this is like the Mack truck of airbrushes, we used to call it. If you hear me with an accent, it's half Catskillian and Astorian, New York, mixed with Fort Lauderdale Street. Sorry. Best I could do. And I'll show you about no mask either. I got a little trick. Okay, because when you're like this, you learn. Burn through that paint quick. Street setup. Form and function with fucking dysfunction. We're on the front lines of America doing art. Laying in. And now, you don't want to do drifts. See what's going to happen now. I can't forget to tighten back. I got drifts, alright, but you know what? When you work like this, you're going to have texture. And if you omit texture, you can cut down the time. Because I'll probably have, like, not as many hours as someone else who would be masking and doing all that. That's more work than the artwork. You got to understand that. And that's why they charge a lot of money. It's because people get like, oh, I want it smooth. And all that BS. And I'm not going to worry about the clown's puppies right now, even though it's the same color. Okay, and this is getting thick too. So what happens now is I hang it up and then pour the rest of that out. Okay, and I'm going to get the black. And I'm just going to throw it in there because it should be a little thinner. And I want it thick anyway, because this kind of paint isn't like, it's super when it's on a brush, but, it's thinned out. Anytime you thin out paint, it compromises. You know what? I could have made a shield, but I'm not gonna. Oh, I got to pull it back. Hold on. Push it in there, okay? All right, here we go. So here's how you do it. I could have made a half shield. See now, I'm going to wait till the black's in there. It's working good right this second. Notice I said right this second. I'm going to pull it back a little bit. Then it becomes like a single action. Okay, so I'm going to go this one first. But this is what you got to do. We got drip. I don't care about that one right now. Alright, so. And the paint's drying too. When you're in Florida, a place like that, it's terrible. Compressor's crusted up because it's wintry and it's getting moist. Even though there's a separator, it's such a small amount. But that's how it is. You got to accept it with that. Okay, so got it going like that. I can't even see because of the glare. I'm not even in a really good super fucking setup. See. If I was, then it'd be different, but, like this, then you bend over and the paint falls out of the cup, so Especially working with a bottle, sometimes it's better. I know, it's scary, all that overspray there. The background is black, and I'm going to use a spray can for that. Because it's a lot, and so then I'm going to have to mask a little bit, but it's not going to be anywhere near what it was. And I'm laying on this paint quite thick. Like I said, the Willie Drift, but it's, you know, the final product where it's at. This one actually disappears in black, this balloon, so. And now the next step, you gotta be careful though. I probably make it look real easy. Okay, that dried to point, and it ran past the balloon shape, so I'm not gonna wipe it. That's what I would do. Get that drip off before doing this part. Okay. But, you know, like, this isn't the final, because you got to go in there with the final details and shit. You know, so now, I'm going to run with that. But what I am going to do is I'm going to dump all this right in a jar. And this way, I don't have to clean it, because it's a pain in the neck. You got to have a jar full of spirits. And here's where things get rough. I'm gonna push you back a little bit. Okay, so what happens now is, okay, you have them balloons. Like I said, I'm gonna go a little bit more because I got the clouds and everything is gonna go in there. But you got a brief amount of time. And you can do this, paint thinner. Try it though yourself first. Don't take my word for it. But paint thinner will work on any kind of finish and not screw it up. As far as like this. So if this is on somebody's car, I wouldn't mask the whole car. Depends what they're going to pay and all that stuff. I mean, that's the honest truth here. Because time is money, and not everything is the same. So you got to watch that rag. Don't hit that one. Much. Okay, so you see what's going on, right? So now I'm cutting away like 4 hours of time that somebody else would spend masking that. But like I said, I had to learn on the fly to survive, because I'm the type of guy that's going to stick around and just work one position. I can't have a job with a ceiling. If my mind doesn't work that way, I'll be dysfunctional, so I have to work for myself. So I have to learn this. And I picked up a few tips here and there, but not this one. This is me. But I didn't do that part, because I still got the string going in there. I'm not sure how I want to do it. And you know what, like technically, oh shit, I could go over that and get that off, but I'm just going to repaint that white because it's easier. And it's thicker paint, it's going to last longer. And this is a race car, you know, it's not some like going to sit in some garage and guys going to have pictures and, you know, masturbate over it and shit. You know, not that there's anything wrong with that, you know, I mean, could be doing worse. You understand? And so, I don't know what it is. That's how it goes. So this is the process. A lot of people would not like this.
They'd be like, oh, he's not going to do my car.
Well, guess what? I wouldn't want to do your fucking car. But if you pay, I'll do that thing. I'll mask the shit out of it. You don't want to spend fucking $50, $70, $100 on mask and paint. That's fine. I'm paying for it. At the end of the day. Gotta make it pay. Oh yeah, it's a the ball campaign. He's got the action, he's got the motion. That's why I try to make him go away. Canadians, shout out to my Canadians who are in dire straits. Oh shit. I don't know if that's correct. I can't see the line that I did. And also, potential.
County.
Richard Petty. There's potential to take off the existing artwork because it's oil. That's the beauty about oil paint when you paint fine art is it's oh, I fucked up there, but it's all right. I got other stuff over there. So you could always go back into it and it emulsifies and you revive the vibe. It's so awesome to work with oil paints, painting fine art, because a lot of times the emulsification, it does something itself. It does. It sounds weird. It's weird. I'm using the same one that I used before, but just because it's drying a little bit, it's usable again because the color itself is super rusty right now. Spend 4 or 5 hours cutting tape and everything, that's fine. I'm not, unless somebody wants me to do it for that. That's why something like this would be $800 to $1,000 easy. And I don't, and then you buy materials, but it's kind of weird because when you do a job like this, you're like, okay, and you got to buy paint in bulk. So the amount of paint you actually use on stuff like this is so minimal that you can facilitate yourself with one job because a lot of times it's special needs for special colors and all kinds of shit. But you can't. Can you expect the one person that gets the job to have to pay and fund every bit of equipment that you didn't have? That's up to you, I guess. But, if you can find people that are like that because in a corporation, if they were doing a job for a construction company, that's what would happen. So you got to gauge your intake and your customer base for that because you can't expect like this type of person that's getting this to buy, okay, my airbrush and compressor and shit. Then it would be the $1,500, And so I'm able to do it like this. I need $100 in tape. That eats into the working man's profit and finances that he needs to eat too. So that's where I'm at. So, that's why this is happening. I'm distracted by the process, which is great. From what else is going on in my life. I still want to be able to give what I can. And there's a lot of people that won't even attempt this because they don't know what I just showed you. Okay, I'm going to give you a close-up now. Okay, and you know what? Like I said, I don't care about certain things. I'm not in a contest with all these other artists. And if they want to shoot me down and be like, oh man, mine is very smooth, I don't fucking care. Okay, so here's what you got. Okay, you got your balloons and your shapes of your letters, and it'll look good when it's on there. You understand, right? So we did that a little bit. And then with him too, I could mask all that, or I could say, okay, fuck the texture aspect, and I could do a brush on that, and it's going to look like it was masked, but you don't want to get up close. This car's going to be doing, anywhere from 360 spins to over the speed limit on the track. So we don't want to mess with that. And that really pisses me off, dude. I didn't want to mess with that, even though I could. Because I want to pre-paint it because it's not a gash, a big gash. It just scraped. Because, this is where I got to work. Thankfully, I'm able to do this here. I'm trying to build a paint booth and everything, but, there's all kind of shit going on. And I don't have the resources right now, so here I am. And look, you gotta work in this traffic too. This is where I'm at. Artist in travel. That's where it's going on here. I got signs over there. It's my sign over there. That's my signs right there. Boom, boom. Fun. Hey, John. So there we go. So now that's soaking. Like, okay, that was real cheapo stuff. I got a mess going on. Oh, I got that. Okay, I put that in the crappy one because you see how the paint gets. It won't stick to certain things. That's why it's like that. And there, that's soaking in there. So I got the needle pulled back so it doesn't poke out, and then, you know, it's gonna go through it. And there you go. Exactly. Exactly right. Exactly. All particles and everything. So look at that. There's stuff in there. Hey! You sound great. There you go. Clowning around. So that's the next progress. And I'm doing that. I got to do that too. And my fingers are getting oily. And from moving it in and out, I touched that. And then the last time, you know, the tape took it off. I tried it today. I did a tape test on the edge because I'm seeing how I'm going to mask it when I do the background. I'm going to use tracing paper. I'm going to cut it out, okay, and then I'm going to use a little bit of acrylic paint or glue on the very edge. I do like using glue sticks, but they're not the same, and it's hard to get them off sometimes because they do harden. But I could use something like that, like wood glue or something, and I can get so close because I do have to line it. And yeah, so that's an aspect. I think that might have been because of my paintbrush having oil in it or something. But it is what it is, you know. We'll make it through, and as it gets fucking whatever, we'll do it. And I got to do that too. And like I said, I could have went in there, but I want to focus on that because I'm too close to that. Because I might want to graze this. I'm probably going to graze this just a tad with the red. So if I was to even attempt to go in here with the black, I wouldn't be composed and I'd screw it up more, and that's the way it is. So maybe I'll float too.